Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida SunCoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Hey, just got back from just an amazing driving tour up in the North Carolina mountains. About 50 members or so toured all around the mountains. Stay tuned. We've got pictures and stuff coming out on our Flickr account, and in the the upcoming edition of BimmerLife. So just an amazing thing. Wish you'd have been there. Those folks that were there just had a blast. Hope you enjoyed it as well. So on to the next page. We have other events coming up. In fact, in 2 weeks, we're going to Daytona, and we're doing the Drive On Daytona. If you haven't got your reservation or your tickets yet, you need to get online and do those. The RSVP, you have to order your tickets online through HSR, and you have to give FSC an RSVP so we know that you're coming, so we can line up and let people know how to get into the track and the timings and those kind of things. We don't exactly know what time the drive on is going to be Saturday morning, but you need to be there so that when it's our time to go, you're ready, set, go. So driving your car on Daytona, and then of course in just a few weeks from now, we'll have the Sebring drive on. So that information is going to be released probably next week as we come up. So folks getting in line for the drive on at Sebring, Daytona or Sebring, two great track events to drive your own car. Sort of a spirited drive, and I'll just sort of leave it at that. Certainly not a race, but some good drive on there. So a lot of other events coming up, all up and down the coastline, over in Jacksonville area, over in our Panhandle area. Check out all the RSVPs down below. And until we see you then, happy motoring. Thank you, everybody. See ya.